Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn to connect Claude AI with Blender in under a minute. Step 1, install requirements. First, you need the Claude desktop app. Download it from claude.com/download and install it. Also, make sure you have Blender version 5.1 or later, which you can download from blender.org/download. Step 2, enable Blender connector in Claude. Now open Claude. In the sidebar, click on Customize. Then go to Connectors. Search for Blender and click Install. I already have it installed. Step 3, download the Blender add-on. After installing, you will see instructions. Click on them to download the Blender add-on. You will be taken to a web page where you can either drag and drop the add-on directly into Blender, or download it first, then install manually. I'll download it first. Step 4, install add-on in Blender. Now open Blender. Go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons. Click on Install from Disk. Select the downloaded .zip file and click Install. The add-on will be installed and ready to use. Step 5, start using Claude with Blender. And that's it. Now you can simply give commands to Claude and it will execute them directly in Blender. For more useful tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.